300 blackout on a willow head shoot. That's what we're shooting. This is a Winchester XP. It's probably not focused because the sun, it's 100 degrees. I don't care. I got my teeth fixed though. That's what counts. There you go. That's will it head shoot. Woo, you can just see the sweat rolling. Series that we came up with here at the BHC. It's called Will It Head Shoot. And we're just basically just gonna be taking guns, you know, popping grapefruit 90 yards or so out, 100, and see it's ready or not to go. So there we go. It will hit shoot. It will kill. Alright, this is that Hornady, or no, I'm sorry, that is a 300 blackout. Open it up like a canoe. It's shooting.